We are coming up to the end of the month of September here very quickly, and we want to take a look at some very technical trading in the British pound. Let's start off by looking at a daily chart. You can see that we have drawn retracement lines from the low of September 10, right around the 160.50 area, all the way up to the high of the 19th of September. That is after the Scottish referendum on independence. That high coming in right around 165.23. When we look at the last 5 days of trading in cable, that's British pound against the US dollar, we can see that we've either had the high and or the low right around important retracement levels. For instance, last Monday, the low was right around this 50% level, that's 162.87. On Tuesday and Wednesday, the daily highs came in right around this 164.12 area. They proved to be very good selling areas. Then Thursday, we saw some resistance up around this 163.43 area, and we didn't get too far below the 50% retracement. And then, of course, Friday to close the week, we were hemmed in between the 163.43 area and this 162.31 area. Seldom do we see trading as technical as this 5 consecutive days. And if we look at a weekly chart, we can also see, illustrated very nicely, this 164.26 area, that's this white 38.2% retracement line here, was very toppish last week. We took out a couple key levels on the move lower last week. We took out the 163.19 and the 162.81 area. When we think about where cable may be headed, we first have to contend with this 160.51 area, which is the low from 3 weeks ago, before we hit some of these other areas, a key area being 160 figure. But first we also have to take into account this 100-week moving average, that is this blue moving average line here. That is currently coming in right around 160.86. We've had very technical trading in the British pound against the US dollar in cable over the past several days, and we will see if it can continue through the end of the month. Thank you.